Hey guys, we're live at 11:22, battling for, excuse me, Kenneth's Ledy Vader. I'm going to copy our list before we go up and take a look at what we're playing for. Here we go, on our way up. There's Kip Dynamite, that's awesome. There he is, Ledy Vader. We got 24 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random. 24 entries. As you can see there, going to roll the dice, got to get at least a 5. I did. I got a 12. We could not be more ready to go. Good luck, guys. Carlos takes round 1. David 2. And 3. And 4. He's on a roll. Jeff 5. Gary takes 6. Mark 7. And 8. Ron takes round 9. Carlos again on top in round 10. Gary in the top spot for our next to last round, bringing us to the final round. If I can spell it, I'm going to wish y'all good luck. There we go. We got it out. Here it goes. And our winner is Mark, in at number 17. Congrats, Mark. Here's the verification for us. JSQKTA. Mark, in at number 17, is the champ of the Ledy Vader. Now that that's been established, I am done with this one at 11:23 p.m. There it is. There it is one more time. Congrats, Mark. See you next time, guys. Thanks.